Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Right, we're going to work right tangle down. Me and my friend found this glitch. Drop zone, I think it is? Yeah, drop zone. And, all I'm going to leave you is that car just at the bottom there, if you can see it. And I'm going to set you a challenge to get onto the glitch by using the car. That's where, and plus where I am, you have to jump to that bit. That's all I'm saying. Thank you guys, and I hope you do it. If you do, please comment or send me a message through YouTube and message how you did it. Thank you. You can also add me on Xbox, NUTTYCURMUDGEON. That's curmudgeon. And thank you very much. I hope you enjoy the glitch. It's quite hard at first, but you get used to it, like my friend showed me. And his name's Demonic Panda. He's pretty good at the game. He showed me all the glitches. So thank you very much, and I'll do a video of Out of Warfare.